I've been feeling so down, yeah.
What's up guys, my name is Famke and today I'm going to show you some clothes that I bought. So like a week ago my pants ripped. Happens to the best of us, they ripped right in between my legs. Like they always do. Which is very annoying, but you know, what you gonna do about it, am I right ladies? Maybe it's just a big conspiracy theory about women's pants who always rip right in between your legs. Or maybe I'm just a fat bitch, you know. Who's gonna tell us? Shane, get on this. Anyway, so I shopped from this store. It's called Zalando. Zalando, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. That would be fantastic. Now, for all the people who are watching and don't know what Zalando is a website where you can buy clothes. I know, mind-blowing, but just imagine you want one pair of pants. You have money to buy one pair of pants. You just go on the website, you order all the pants that you like, you try them on at home, you send the rest back and you pay for the ones that you want. That's what I did. So, got this big ass box and I'm just gonna pull some out and let's talk about them. First off, we got these. So these are like a very pretty mustardy color. They're just some straight leg jeans. Like I really wanted something different because usually I just wear like skinny jeans that are black or skinny jeans that are jeans colored. So I wanted something different, you know, getting out of my comfort zone. Because now that we're in quarantine, I have a lot of self-confidence because I cannot look at other girls on the street who look way prettier than me. So now is the time to do something crazy. And it's not like I bought some like insane colors or something, but like I said, I just wear black and jeans. So this is very new for me. So these are from Trendyol. Trendyol? I don't know, man. They cost $27.95. So yeah, these are them. I really like the color and I really like the fit because they tucks everything in nicely. Also, my ass looked great in these. So these were definitely an option. Next up, we have these ripped pants that I ordered. So these are some very ripped pants that are very not me. The pair of pants that ripped in between my legs were also ripped, but they had like just a little one on the knee. So this is very out there for me. These are from Pull & Bear and they were $29.99. So when I was trying these on, so what I had in mind for these pants was looking like an Insta baddie, you know? Ripped jeans, a little crop top, a little moment. But unfortunately I look like a potato in these, so we're just like, it was a little bit too much not me, so yeah, we're not gonna these weren't it, sis. So yes, unfortunately I'm not going to be an Insta baddie anytime soon because I just don't look good in ripped jeans. Next up, we have some white striped jeans. Now, when I ordered these, I thought they were gonna be like sturdy jeans, like a white jeans with some black stripes on them, but these are jeggings. And I don't even know if I want to talk about these pants because I looked like a sausage and the lines were going all the wrong ways because my legs are not straight, okay? My legs are like thick and then skinny knees and then thick thighs and just these were a no real fast. But for the people who are wondering, these pair of pants were from, well, it doesn't say on the, it's weird. I don't know how much they were, but they were ugly, so don't get them, you know. Next up, we have some corduroy pants. I've always wanted corduroy pants. I really like the style of them and I've always seen them on Pinterest and I was like, I'm gonna try some. Even though it's gonna be summer and I'm gonna be sweating like a dog. But you know, we just gotta let that slide for the fashion. So these are from Topshop and they were $44.99. Kind of expensive for me because the pants that I buy usually are like between 20 and 30 euros. But I really like these, so I picked them up. See, they're like the corduroy, slippity whippity stripes on them. And these were kind of nice, but I didn't really like the fit. I didn't really like the like the legs were a little bit too wide and it didn't really make any sense. But I like these. Like these were like in a good direction. We were going the right direction, you know, the one direction. I also really liked the color because they were like a warm brown. They weren't too cool toned. Oh, that's nice. Love that for us. Next up, we had these. So these are the darkest pair that I ordered. Oh my god, are my eyelashes still on? Yes. So I ordered these, but these are very dark. And definitely for like in summer, these were like a bit of an odd choice. But I like dark things and I wear dark shit all the time. So, almost the same pants as the last ones I showed you. But these are from Pull & Bear and they were $29.99. And these kind of have the same story. Like, I like them, but they were really dark, especially for summer. And also, like the pants were too straight down, so I didn't really have a nice figure in them, you know? But it was a really pretty color. It's like a dark Bordeaux with then the corduroy stripes on them. So they were nice, but just not for now. Maybe in fall. These will be some great fall pants. That's just a fact. Then next up we had these pairs of jeans. So these were just some basic mom jeans, which are always good. Definitely if you want to like vamp up your closet. Just a basic pair of mom jeans. Just give you that little extra vintagey vibe if that's what you like. Love some good mom jeans. These are from Pull & Bear and they were $19.99. So that's a very good price for a pair of jeans. And these are very good quality. I love Pull & Bear jeans. Never can go wrong. Always a right fit. Nice material. Top notch. So yeah, these fit me very nicely. But you know, mom jeans always fit me nicely. I don't know, there's just something about mom jeans that just hit me in all the right places. So I rolled them up at the bottom like I always do with my pants. And I really like these. My ass looked great in them. You know, you gotta put out your best assets. Don't worry, I hate myself too. Then we had these. These pants were a little embarrassing. Wanna know why? Because it looks like I'm not wearing any pants when I wear these. This color is very close to my skin tone. So when I walked out in these to show them to my mom, she was a little shocked and a little worried about why I was half naked. I said, Mom, those are my jeans. So these are from Pieces and they cost $49.99, 50 euros. And they fitted very nicely, but the color just was a no-go. I looked like I was butt-ass naked and I don't want to walk around on the street like that. That's a little scandalous, even for me. Not that I'm scandalous at all, but you know. And then last but definitely not least, we have these corduroy pants. I freaking love these. The color is great. It's like a warm teddy bear brown with then the corduroy stripes in them. When I wear them, I feel like I'm a principal at some ladies' school and I'm like, bitch, you're fired. Like, I feel like the man in these pants and it's a great feeling. So these are from Topshop. They were $49.99. No, I'm lying. They were $49.49. So they're from Topshop. They're fantastic. They feel amazing. It's so soft and I like to pet my own pants when I'm wearing these. I wore these the other night when I went to Antwerp to visit my friends, which is now legal again in Belgium, so hooray for that. So yeah, I wore them and they liked them a lot. So shout out to my friends because one of them was pissed off because I didn't give them a shout out in my other video where I talked about moving out. If you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. So shout out to Lynn because she helped me move out as well. It wasn't just my mom, it was her as well. You happy now, you little bitch? Love you though. I don't understand how these YouTubers make haul videos of like 20 minutes long. Well, probably because they have more money than me and can order a lot more stuff than I do, but you know, that's what's so great about this website. It really sounds like I'm sponsored, but I'm not. But you can just order whatever you want and just send back the things that you don't need. Anyway, that's it for this video. So, without further ado, I will see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed me for some weird reason, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you would like to see next. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.